Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you here on exploring the journey of stock market together. As you know, I'm normally a breakout trader and a trend trader, but since last few weeks the markets are falling, obviously because of the war and geopolitical tensions in Middle East. So today I got something exciting for you, which is called catching the falling knife strategy. What does it mean? It's basically a mean reversion strategy. Mean reversion means the tendency of a price to return to its historical average after a long deviation from it. I'm going to release a video under this series only when the market falls close to or more than 1% in a week's time. The idea is to find a stock reverting to its mean, meaning the stock bouncing back from its support level or a support zone, even during the falling market. Doesn't that mean catching the falling knife? This is a short term trading strategy, and as we are going against the trend, I recommend not to risk more than 2 to 3% of your total capital in a single stock. So, I have got two stocks for you this week. Let's take a look at it. So, the first stock I have for this week is Alpha HPA Limited. So, if you see the chart, the stock was falling since last 3 weeks, obviously due to the market fall. So it based on the market trend, the stock has fallen down, and then stock has taken a new support and has bounced back strongly after the support, trying to um, reverting back to its mean average. That's what mean reversion strategy is. So if you see it, it has formed a good support. uh, Actual support was, I would say, around 0.545, but the stock has taken a strong reversal at 0.460. This week's candle is pretty high, so I would consider uh, even this candle's uh, low as the stop loss, which is still a bit high, but I won't go beyond that because I would assume that this is pretty much a new support. If you see, the RSI has literally reverted from going pretty low. Now the RSI is around 66, so it's above 50, but RSI was pretty low and went into an oversold zone. The resistance, I don't see any immediate resistance in the stock. The stock may go into a consolidation when it goes around its super trend and trend line, which is about 0.875. So that could be a time to get out of the market, but I potentially see up to 10 to 12% immediate up move in this one. So the next stock I have for this week is TPG Telecom. If you see the chart, a weekly chart for TPG Telecom, again it's a similar pattern. Considering the market has fallen since last couple of weeks, the stock has come down, and then the stock has taken this support and has bounced back from the support. Uh, it didn't reach up to its actual support, which was around, let's say, uh, 4.70, which is pretty much around the super trend. The super trend is still positive. RSI has was pretty low in an oversold zone. Now it's picking up around 50-ish. If you see this trend line, I would say the stock has pretty much taken support here, and this week's candle is also pretty up based on, in terms of percentage, I would say it's around 6-7% in this week itself. So uh, the stock is trying to revert it back, and maybe it could give a potential breakout here, but as I said, we are just doing a mean reversion strategy, so our target should be around this much, because to the immediate resistance, considering this is bouncing back from the support. uh, the resistance is pretty close to the current price, but that's okay. The idea is to have a quick short term trade. It's not a long term strategy anyways. So considering that, I see this for this week, TPG is a good setup for a quick short term and mean reversion strategy. So what do you think about those stocks? Remember what I said. Don't allocate more than 2% of your total capital as we are going against the trend. And have you got any similar strategy that may have worked in the falling market? Please feel free to share that in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What do you think will happen next week? Will the tensions continue in Middle East and will we still have a fall in the market or we can see some bounce back? We will find it out. Stay tuned for more such strategies and stock. See you next week.